Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. In this video I'm going to show you my day trades that I've been making for ticker DOCU. So I'll show you in a second where I got in my scanner that I talk about and show you guys how to make and use in my free stock trading course. That's what I used. That's what brought this ticker up for me today. So I'm going to watch this one another second, and I'm probably going to just sell into the bid. Volume is very low right now. So alright, so let me just go back here and I'll start explaining what I saw. So with my scanner, it had kicked off right in here. Well, as it was, this candlestick was building, it kicked off. And so I kind of started watching it, but I was watching a couple other tickers as well. And it came up here, and I actually bought in this time frame. And so as I bought my shares for the day in this, I slowly started selling off. Once it was, getting up here, this one actually kind of shook me a little bit. And I sold a little bit of my shares, but it regained itself, and this one right here, this candlestick gave me a little bit more confidence as to this will probably continue its uptrend. Obviously you can see right here at this time frame that was the high of the day, and now it's getting to the point where these Bollinger Bands are starting to pinch in, and I'm afraid that it's going to break across this middle EMA line and just tank on me. So with volume being so low today, I had to sell it off between 100 and 500 shares for every transaction. So you can see that throughout the day I had a total of 1,200 shares that I'd bought and sold, and made a total profit of $1,348. So if it is what not if it is, if you want to know how to trade like this, I have that free stock trading course, and I teach you it. It's very detailed. Go through the videos in order. This would be actually playlist number 2. I have 2 different playlists. This is playlist number 2 for the Bollinger Bands. Playlist number 1 is for EMA lines and MACD, VWAP, and RSI. So I will actually show you how to find these trades. You just have to put in the effort to learn it. That's it. If you can't put in the effort to learn it, there's nothing that I can't do for you, or not I can't. There's nothing that I can do for you, and that goes for anybody else, whether it's a paid course or not. If you don't want to put in the effort, there's nothing that nobody can do for you to make you a better trader. So I gave you 60% of the test answers. You have to find the other 40% to make it 100. That's it. The hard work is already done for you. You just have to put in the effort. So if you take your trading seriously, the course is free. It's 8 hours long, in total with videos. And it's legitimately good. Could I sell it? Absolutely. But there's just certain reasons why I'm not, and there's really no point to go over them in a video. So check those courses out. Spend the time to learn this, and paper trade so you can see yourself how this all works. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up, and please help get my name out by sharing some of these videos. I would be grateful for that. And I know other people who are trying to learn would be as well. So Thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next one.